Godrej Properties Limited, which brings the Godrej Group philosophy of innovation, sustainability, and excellence to real estate industry. Each Godrej Properties development combines a 125-year legacy of excellence and trust with commitment to cutting-edge design and technology. In recent years, Godrej Property has received over 250 awards and recognition, including the Most Trusted Real Estate Company of the Year at 9th Construction Week Award 2019, Equality and Diversity Champion 2019 at the APREA Property Leader Award, the Economic Times Best Real Estate Brand 2018, and the Builder of the Year at the CNBC Awards Real Estate Award in 2018. And from there, I would like to request Mr. Nikhil, who is the Regional Safety Manager at Godrej Properties Limited, a mechanical engineer graduate with advanced diploma in industrial safety, PG, certification in health safety and environment management from INICMAR, lead auditions from 250, MBA in business management from Symbiosis, having 14 years of experience in construction industry at corporate office as well as construction projects. I would like to request Mr. Nikhil to please come on the stage.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank GSS Award Committee for giving us this opportunity. Godrej Properties is a real estate arm of Godrej Group, which is one of the successful conglomerates in India. It having its presence in multiple cities of India, and we are developing residential, commercial, and township project across India. The project which we have nominated for GSS Award is, the name of project is Taj at the Trees, which is our hospitality or commercial project of Godrej Properties, which is located in Mumbai in one of the center location, which is known as Vikhroli. Godrej Taj at the Trees. This project is a part of a mixed use development known as The Trees, which is India's most sustainably planned projects. So let me take you through the brief of the project. So as I told you, this is the hospitality project. It is a hotel, upcoming hotel, which is located at Vikhroli. And these are various associates associated with these projects. The architecture or local architecture is PG Patki. Then MEP and structural designer is Bureau Haport. Then project management consultancy is Ascentis India Private Limited. Then the project started in December 19 and expected completion date is April 23. The scope of work is the entire construction of RCC works, then various services of these areas like MEP services, then all interior works, then facade works and landscaping development and hardscaping. The construction area of this project is around 3.5 square feet, 3.5 lakhs square feet, and it is a single tower with 1.5 basement, and there are 11 typical floors. So this building, I think this will not work. In picture you can see the rendering picture of the hotel. Then the actual picture is given below during construction, which is having around 150 rooms. Now moving towards the safety management system. So all processes and system of Godrej Properties is aligned to ISO 45001 standard, and it is complying to this standard. Leadership plays an important role in implementation of safety, and in Godrej, top management or leadership forum is committed to safety. They demonstrate safety uh, through safety policy during their interaction with team, and they are also conducting various safety round to demonstrate safety. Then roles and responsibility of every individual, every stakeholder, internal stakeholder are defined and communicated uh, to every stakeholder to ensure the better implementation. And also the line management are also taking part in implementation of safety. They are conducting frequent rounds at site. Then planning part. So the process planning is in place, and the safety process, of course, and which is monitored and tracked through safe application which is known as safety app. So all monitoring and tracking done through this safety app, which is a real-time basis app. Also, the all legal and other applicable requirements are monitored and complied through a web-based portal known as Ligatrix. Then coming towards the support, the, uh, there is a standardization of resources at every project of Godrej. The resources in terms of safety resource, then safety infra, and the different equipments required for the safety. Some photographs of the same are displayed below. Then the competency of worker or the competency of special trade is carried out, and it is verified by their experience, their expertise, and various credentials. And this is done before before deployment of any employee or before deployment of any worker. Then there are various awareness and training program conducted at site. There are some photographs shown which shows the in-house training or classroom training program and on-the-job training programs conducted at site. And these are some photographs showing some important safety days celebrated at site, like National Safety Day, World Environment Day, then Road Safety Week, and Fire Service Day, etc. Then moving towards the operational control. In construction industry, height work is one of the major hazard. It is considered as one of the major hazard, and we have controlled it or minimize the hazard by taking utmost precautions like the edge barricade, railings, then all shaft are covered with the safety net, and lift shaft are covered with the openable door with lock and key arrangements. Then peri of building is also covered with the horizontal catch nets. Then vertical safety net provided for the entire length of the building whenever there is activity going on that particular side of the building. So these two photographs shows the different phases of the building and how we are ensuring safety, basically height work safety. Then other safety measures like material stacking, then electrical safety. Again, there is a standardization of electrical safety. We used only IP55 and above standard IP55 or above standard electrical equipment for the temporary for distribution of temporary powers, and the all temporary working platforms are inspected, and prior approval is required to use at site. Then access control measures. So there is a dedicated security, CCTV cameras are installed. Then for attendance purpose, we have a biometric system at gate. So every worker has to undergo this access control mechanism. So we ensure that only authorized person is entering into the site. Authorized person means the worker who has undergone the pre-employment medical checkup, then safety induction. So all after completing all process, then and only he or she will get the access through this particular system. Then procurement contracts and outsourcing, which is one of the important aspect of safety. So there is a robust process is available for the contractor selection or vendor selection. So there is a matured pre-qualification. Every contractor has to undergo a mature pre-qualification. And also there is a periodic vendor evaluation is carried out to assess the performance, safety performance of contractor on frequent basis. And contract safety rules and regulation. This is very important document. So basically, whenever there is a contract between contractor and client, there is a contract document is signed. And contract safety rules and regulation is a part of that document. So contractor or vendor is legally obligated to follow the safety. That evaluation and compliance, there is a structured way of monitoring contractor or vendor safety performance, which is monitored on various parameters. And this evaluation done on monthly basis. There is a benchmarking set for every vendor. In case some vendors are not achieving benchmark, then the matter is escalated to the upper level, or it is escalated to next level. And this particular evaluation system is linked with the reward and penalty system. If contractor is performing, then he will be rewarded. If not performing, there will be some warnings and penalty will be linked to it. Also, there is a robust process of internal audit as well as third-party audit to check or to evaluate the safety process or implementation by third party or another person. These are some pictures showing continual improvement or some of the best or innovative practices which is followed at site. The first picture shows the use of mist gun. So this project is from Mumbai. In Delhi, it is mandatory to have this mist gun or mist cloud gun. But in Mumbai, it is not mandatory. Still, we are using it. So we identified it was the requirement of external stakeholder, and we have taken it as an objective, and we have completed that objective. Then access control system by biometric face reader. Then there are some secondary barricading measures taken during lift installation, the third picture. Then tire washing facility during excavation. So every vehicle moving out of the site will be cleaned. The tire will be cleaned. Then confined space work, safety measure. The blower with flexible hood was provided. Then biometric system for the machines or plant and machinery, major plant and machinery equipments are provided to allow only authorized person to access that particular equipment. So this is one of the engineering control. Then moving towards the welfare of the worker. So there are lots of practices have been followed, but I would like to highlight some key points. So the Godrej Properties has facilitated registration of worker under BUCW beneficiary, building and other construction worker beneficiary, which unlocks the benefits to worker. Around 20 lakhs of benefits for the worker would be unlocked. by registering worker under this beneficiary act. Then again, there is a facility like free meals, midday meals is served by BUCW. Then free medical camps are organized at site. Then moving towards some achievements for the project. The project has completed 3.0 million safe man hours, and we also got some internal and external recognition. The National ESS Award during 9th Global Safety Summit. Then International Safety Award from British Safety Council. So we got merit certificate during 2022. Then we also received a certificate, appreciation certificate and medal from Construction Industry Development Council 2020, during 2022 as well as 21. And we received appreciation certificate from CII for following best practices, best safety practices in industry. And the said project is pre-certified platinum rated building. We have received certificate from IGBC. It is a platinum rated pre-certified buildings. Then we are all ISO 45,000 as well as 14,001 certified company. And these are some certification related to waste. So one of our objective is zero waste to landfill. To accomplish this, we have a tie-up with vendors, authorized vendor, authorized by State Pollution Control Board. And we got certificate that every waste generating from site, it is either it is recycled or it is disposed at authorized location. Thank you.